Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Gold reacted to our support region here in orange and formed one more high. That was according to our preferred scenario. And we want to take a look at the updated wave count, if there is anything to update, because actually not. everything went according to script, at least here with this move to the upside. In the preferred scenario, what I can do though is I can take out the yellow alternative wave 1, alternative wave 2, because if the price shows a deep pullback now, it is most likely wave 2 here in the white count. What I have to do though, after this orange support range created basically a nice reaction, I'm going to close it. Let's just delete it actually. And I will adjust the lower support region, which would be relevant now for a wave 2 pullback. Let me explain. So in this structure here, from the 15th of February low, we mentioned in previous videos that we could only count like 3 waves to the upside, right? The move down was corrective, so it gave us a good, a good outlook that, or decent probabilities that there would be another move to the upside in wave 5, which could complete the wave 1 to the upside. So therefore, we have a complete pattern here on the chart. Now that doesn't mean we have to come down in wave 2 now, but that's what I would assume, okay? But I also tell you which levels need to break to confirm that. Now the idea is, after 5 waves up, we get a 3-wave pullback. How would that look like? A 3-wave pullback would be called an ABC structure. So we would see how that, it could develop roughly like that. We're currently working on wave A. Then we could get a B wave rally and a C wave to the downside. This is sort of the preferred scenario. Now I'm not telling you the wave 2 has definitely started, but as long as we are holding above 2044, which is the 78.6 retracement level of the initial 5-wave move to the upside, as long as we're holding above that level, the idea that this could be a 1-2 setup is relevant, and expectations are for a 3rd wave to the upside to unfold. This is basically currently wave 2 of wave C of 3. So what or which level now needs to break to the downside to confirm that this wave 2 has started? I mean, I would really like to see a break below the $2,150 level, these previous swing lows there. And that would basically be good confirmation that the wave 2 has started. At the moment, we're likely just coming down in the A wave. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. You also can see that we only have a 3-wave move down so far. If from here one more low occurs, then we have 5 waves down. If only 3, well, then wave A to the downside might unfold, as an ABC structure itself. So it doesn't make, so much sense to try to absolutely nail the microstructure of corrections. Not so helpful. Can only lead to frustrations, or it at least often does. But yeah, I mean, this is a possible interpretation. We have 3 waves down. We seem to be getting a small bounce now, which could be A, B, of a larger A. Then we get a larger B, C. So that's sort of how I would see that. The support area is defined between $2,135 and $2,043, with additional support at $2,108 and 2081. So a break obviously above the last high, which was formed here at around 2227. Well, that would suggest that wave 5 of 1 is still unfolding, but that's currently, I mean, it's possible, but I would then just need to it would just be an extension of wave 5. But we are very close to a local top, at least in wave 1. At least we have a complete wave 1 now, okay? So when the wave count is complete, it just means we need to be on the side of caution, need to have it on our radar that possibly here this larger wave 1 top is in. That is, however, not bearish. It's actually bullish, because with a wave 1 to the upside in 5 waves, the 3-wave pullback could be an opportunity to look for long positions to trade the 3rd wave. And let's calculate the target for this 5th wave. If, let's assume it is not finished yet, let's assume we get one more high, then it's helpful to know where things might be going. So there are 2 main levels to watch, 2,231 and 2,283. These are the next upside targets. So the bottom line is, at the moment, gold has shown us a bullish structure, a so-called 5-wave move to the upside. I would call that an impulse. And as the count is now complete, at least the cycle is complete, we can be watching for a 3-wave pullback into the yellow support zone. That would be an ABC structure, from where, if the support area is holding, trend continuation to the upside can be expected. However, further direct extensions are still possible in a still unfolding wave 1, and possible upside targets are 2,231 to 2,283. But the minimum expectations here for this move to the upside are definitely complete. So if there is a deep pullback now, then you have some very, very clear levels to watch. That's about it about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.